What does complex pattern means? As and when an indicator is identified, a pattern is attached with it. A pattern could be anything from continuation pattern to reversal pattern. Anything that foretells the future is a pattern. Meaning that if a stock is in a bullish trend, then it will continue to stay bullish. That's what a continuation pattern is. So a pattern that tells it will remain bullish is known as a continuation pattern. Or if a stock is in a bearish trend, then it will continue to stay bearish. Then again, it's a continuation pattern. The pattern will continue through seeing the pattern in action. If the pattern is a reversal pattern, then it means that if a stock is currently bullish and that specific pattern is formed, then the signals will change. And from bullish, it will go into bearish. This change is likely to bring bearish forces in action. Or if the initial trend is bearish, then it will likely to turn it into bullish. That is, bulls will take control of the market. And that's why complex patterns are really important. Thank you.